ওয়েলকাম টু পিএ টিউটোরিয়াল। পিএ টিউটোরিয়ালে তোমাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত।
Today we will learn English alphabet with word. Let's start. A. A for apple. These are apples. Now B. B for ball. These are balls. Now C. C for cat. These are cats. Now D. D for duck. These are ducks. Now E. E for elephant. These are elephants. Now F. F for forest. This is forest. Now G. G for goat. These are goats. Now H. H for hen. These are hens. Now I. I for ice cream. These are ice creams. Now J. J for jackal. This is jackal. Now K. K for kangaroo. These are kangaroo. Now L. L for lion. This is lion. Now M. M for monkey. This is monkey. Now N. N for nest. This is nest. Now O. O for orange. These are orange. Now P. P for peacock. These are peacocks. Now Q. Q for quail. These are quails. Now R. R for rabbit. These are rabbits. Now S. S for spider. This is spider. Now T. T for tower. This is tower. Now U. U for unicorn. These are unicorn. Now B. B for vulture. This is vulture. Now W. W for whale. These are whales. Now X. X for X-ray. This is X-ray. Now Y. Y for yak. This is yak. Now Z. Z for zebra. This is zebra.